Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to schedule auto shutdown in Windows 10. Type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar. Click Task Scheduler. Click Create Basic Task. Type the name of the task. Click Next. Click one time. Click Next. You can change date and time. Click Next. Click Next. Type Shutdown. Type /s, space /f space /t space 00. Click Next. Click Finish. Shutdown started. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.